Why this bird stay in water? Facts. Certain birds have evolved specifically to live in and around water. For example, penguins live in the water for over 75% of their lives and can fly at up to 25 miles per hour underwater thanks to their flipper-like wings. In a similar vein, cormorants are skilled divers that use their webbed feet to move quickly underwater for prey. The horned puffin is a swift swimmer because it uses its webbed feet as a rudder and its wings as oars. They can capture food, evade predators, and flourish in watery settings thanks to their adaptations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.